Okay, the last question says, use the ruler on your reference chart to answer the following question. This following figure is a scale drawing of a park. Scale drawing means that each unit of measurement represents another one. Like when you look at a map, 1 inch may represent 100 miles. Okay, so it's a scale. So it says right here, if 1 centimeter equals 5 meters, what is the area of the park in square meters? So I'm going to use the centimeter side of my ruler. Okay, so I need to know, it looks like I'm going to go to the nearest whole centimeter. So my base here, if I start at 0, looks like it's going to go right over here to about 5. So we're going to call this 5 centimeters. But how many meters is that going to be? Well, if 1 centimeter is 5 meters, 5 centimeters would be 25 meters. Go ahead and get that unit of measurement there, okay? Now we're measuring the height, because for a triangle, the area is 1/2 of base times height. Okay? So I need to know the height of this. Oh, this one's going to be a tough one. I'm going to say we're going to measure to the nearest 1/2 centimeter here, because we're kind of right in the middle. So we start at 0. I'm going to go up 1, 2. Here's my 3 centimeters. So this looks like 3.5 centimeters. So I'm going to write down 3.5 centimeters. Oh, but if every one is 5, I need to multiply 3.5 times 5. So it's 17.5 meters. Okay, these are now my dimensions of my triangle. Area is 1/2 of base times height. So 1/2 of 25 times 17.5. I'm going to grab my calculator really fast so I don't make your video any longer than it has to be. Okay, so I'm going to say 25 times 17.5 is 437.5, and then I need half of that. So I'm going to divide by 2. My area will be 218.75. Now it's in meters. Okay. Now on this one over here, you're going to do the same thing, but you're going to measure to the nearest 1/4 of an inch. So a quick little preview here. Each of these, so if this is a 0 and this is a 1 inch, the one in the middle is a 1/2 inch, and the one in the middle between those is a 1/4. So that would be 3/4. So if I go right here, this is 2. And this looks like it's going to be 2.5. So this is 2 3/4 is my base. My height goes up, and it looks like we're right at 1 inch. So my base is 2 3/4 inches, and my height is 1 inch on this parallelogram.